The first way to harness your mind is to breathe. And we did it a little bit right here. So what I'm going to do in my session with you is I want to teach you some of the most powerful tools that I have in my tool belt. And when I do, the problem is this: they're free, and they're simple, and they are legal. So no one's really interested in them. But this is the most important thing I can tell you right here. I used to write a column for a magazine called Women's Health Magazine. You may have seen this magazine, and I had a column in there for a couple years called Calm. And every month, the editors would send me questions to answer. Readers would write in some situation in their life that they were having stress about, and then my job was to write in 100 words or less. It was really hard. Some solution for them. And after the second month of writing the column, the editors sent me a note along with the questions for the month. They said, but this month, could you please just not mention breathing? Because you already mentioned that. I'm like, there is no calm if you don't start with the breath. So even though it's something you take for granted, even though it's free and legal and simple, we're going to spend a moment on it. So if you would put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly below your belly button, and all I want you to do is push all of the air out of you, like you're squeezing toothpaste from the bottom of the tube. So from your low belly, just exhale like you're squeezing your belly out. Let the air go out. And when you inhale, fill up so much that both hands move. So when you inhale, the belly hand's going to move some, and the chest hand's going to move. And then exhale so both of them compress back in. Just as simple. If you've done a yoga class, you've done this before. So keep breathing like that, but we're going to add to it a little bit more. As you inhale, inhale to the count of 4. So everyone together will inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just drop your hands, let your hands go, and keep breathing like that as best you can. If you'll start practicing this on a regular basis, it'll become the normal way that you breathe. And when you breathe slowly into the count of 4, you don't have to hold the 4 counts. That's the kind of breath that you want to use when you are stopping a stressful situation. So if something happens in the store, you're dealing with an employee, or at home, or anywhere, and you realize you're really losing it, which we'll talk about in a minute, then you want to do this breath to stop your nervous system from going in the wrong direction. Breathe in for 4, hold for 4, and out for 4. As simple as it is, within 3 breaths, you will have already shifted the nervous system activity. You will already be boosting your immune system. You will already be boosting digestion and metabolism. You will digest your lunch better if you'll breathe like that.